Hi friends, my name is Rohit. Welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel Rohit Academy. Friends, in this video I will teach you the best and easiest method of finding squares from 1 to 100. So friends, let's get started. So friends, first of all we will take one example for finding squares from 1 to 100. The number between the 1 to 100, so I will take 28. We have to find the square of 28. So first of all, step 1 is we have to write the square of this first digit, that is 2. 2 square is nothing but 4. Then after the we have to second step is we have to write the square of second digit, that is 8. 8 square is 64. We have to write 64 here. And then after we will step 3 is we have to multiply these three numbers, 2 into 8 into 2, that is 2 into 8 into 2. 2 8s are 16 and 16 2s are 32. Our answer is 32. We have to write this 32 down here. See, 32. We have to leave one digit from the right side. We have, this is 464. Our step 1 and 2. From step 1 and 2 our answer is 464. We have to write 32 here after leaving one digit from right side. See, we have to write here. We do not write here. We have to not start from here. We have to start after leaving one digit on the right side. So we have to write here after leaving one digit from the right side, and then after we have to add it. 4 8 7. This is the answer of our example. The square of 28 is 784. If you will not believe, I will prove it. See, 28 square is equal to 784. Our answer by the universal trick of finding squares from 1 to 100. This is our trick's answer. So friends, I will show you the proof. See, 28 into 28. 8 8 is 64. 6. 8 2 is 16 and 6. 22. Then after 2 8 is 16. 1. 2 2 is 4. 5. 4 8 7. See, our answer is correct. So you understood, I hope you understood this proof. This trick is 100% correct. Friends, now we will see another example of this method. Now I will explain again. For explaining next second example, I have taken 84. We have to find 84 square. Our step 1 is to write the square of first digit. Our first digit is 8. So first of all we have to write the square of first digit. First digit is 8. We have to write the square of 8. So our square of 8 is nothing but 64. We have to write 64. And then after our second step is to write the square of second digit. Our second digit is 4. Then our second digit is 4. The square of 4 is 16. We have to write it here, 16. Then after our third step is to multiply these three numbers, that is 8 into 4 into 2. 8 4 is 32, 32 2 is 64. For doing this simple way, we have to multiply first these two numbers, small numbers. 4 2 is 8 and this 8. 8 8 is 64. We have to write 64 after leaving. We have to write 64 from right side after leaving one digit. See, 64. I have leaven one digit. I didn't write under the 6. I wrote this 64 from the right side by leaving one digit, and we have our final and last step is to add this. See, 6 1 4 5 4 6 10. 1 carry 6 1 7. This is our answer. So the square of 84 is 7056. This is the easy and best method of solving squares from 1 to 100. I will prove it whether the answer is correct or not. See, 84 into 84. 4 4s are 16. 4 8s are 32 plus 1 33. 8 4s are 32. 3 carry. 8 8s are 64 plus 3 67. 6 5 13 7 10. Our answer is 7056. You understood, hence the answer is correct. The square of 84 square is 7056. This is the best and easiest way of finding squares from 1 to 100. Friends, I hope you understood this topic. Then after I will increase my speed. One more example I will try to understand you. See, I hope you understood the topic. Now I will give you five examples for solving or for your practice. So you find these squares for your homework, for your practice. First you have to find 85 square, and then after 95 square, and again third is 75 square, and fourth 56 square, and last fifth 98 square. You find these squares by using this method and comment me you understood or not. From this I will understood whether you understood or not this topic. So friends, today video comes to end. In next video I will bring more new tricks of maths. This is a universal trick of finding squares from 1 to 100. This is the easiest and best method of finding squares. So friends, meet you in next video. Until then, take care and thank you. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.